What's going on, everybody? This is James Harris with Southside Dents and Cosmetics, and today I'm going to show you how to answer one of the most common questions a dent technician is going to ask you. What they're going to ask you is if you know if your panel is aluminum or steel. The reason that a dent technician is going to ask you that is because aluminum is much more difficult to work on and comes with an additional cost. So, if you ever reach out to have a dent repaired and a technician asks you, the easiest way for you to tell them yes, it's aluminum or no, it's steel is check using a magnet. So here we've got this steel door. Magnet sticks right to it. No big deal. But right next to it, we have an aluminum fender, and it will not stick. And so a repair on this fender compared to a repair on this door is going to be significantly higher. Like I said, they're much more difficult to work on and take a lot more time, effort, and expertise. So, if you ever reach out, now you know how to answer that question. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.